Hi everybody, this is Erin Reed for Rinea, and today I'm going to show you how you can take the beautiful foiled paper with our 3D rolled star wafer thin dies or our stars and more templates to create a beautiful star decor item. To die cut out the pieces for your stars, all you need to do is place down your wafer thin dies. Any manual cutting machine, Cuttlebug, Sizzix, Big Kick, any of those will work. Run them through. Clean cut pieces every single time, just like this. On the glossy paper, it's one color on the front and gold on the back. This happens to be our violet color. If you do not have a manual die cutting system, then you can also use our templates. Our templates are made so that you can draw, perfect for kids. You can draw easily on the paper using the templates, trace all the way around, making sure also to get all the in between spaces because this is where you are going to cut. It leaves a wonderful impression after you have traced, perfect for you to come in and cut with your scissors. In the Stars and More template, you will get 3 additional larger sizes to make even larger stars. For today's star, we are just going to use the smaller 3 sizes, and every single one are labeled, and we are going to use the numbers 1, 2, and 3 to create our star today. You can create your stars in any color variety you like with any combination of sizes. Today we're going to do 1 3, 2 2s, and 2 1s on half the star, and then repeating it exactly the same in the same color order. Now let's show you how to roll the stars. To roll the stars, you start off by putting your pencil in the center of one of the flares or one of the petals of the star, and you roll the paper around. Catch it, kind of tilt it back, and then continue rolling, using the pencil to guide and holding a firm grip to create the point in your star. Add the pencil in the center, roll forward, and curl going around. It's as simple as that. Any age can do this. People have all kinds of fun. Don't worry about if your pieces are not super tight. That is fine. They will look beautiful no matter what. I'm going to go ahead and continue the rest of these. So now all of our stars have been rolled. It's time to assemble. You start by nesting one star in the other. Start with the largest star. Any glue will work. You can use a fast drying glue, or you can also use a slower drying glue. Kids glues, Elmer's glue, stick glue, they all work fine. Place a dab either on the inside or on the back side of the previous one and push it in. As you get to the smaller ones, take the back side of your pencil to help nest in the inside of your star. Little dab of glue and nest in your star. Set that off to dry, do the other side. If you're using a glue that takes a little longer to dry, like white glues or kids glues, let these set overnight to make sure they are nice, firm, and hard. If you're using a fast drying glue, you are set to go. All you need to do now is put a little bit of glue on this side here. Take your other star, place it right on there. Use your pencils back to back to help squish them together to create your beautiful star. You now have an amazing star that you could use with so many different projects. Thanks so much for stopping by and learning how to use either our rolled star wafer thin dies or our Stars and More templates to create these beautiful stars. The following are some pictures of some other projects you can create using the dies or the stencils in a completely different way, and also some fun star pictures. Thanks so much for stopping by.